dear students, greetings for the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 7th computer teacher. Today we are going to start our chapter number 6, Review Python. So this chapter we shall be covering in 3 sessions. So today in the first session, we will learn about features of Python language, installing Python on your computer, working modes of Python and variables. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you having proper network? Are you having stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So dear students, let's start. Any task that you perform in your daily life consists of 3 steps: input, processing and output. Have you ever tried to make a clay toy? Let us see the process of creating a toy by following the given steps. Take raw clay, mold the clay into the desired shape. Finally, color the toy and leave it to dry for some time. So you see that the formation of a toy is divided into 3 major steps. Raw clay is the input, molding, coloring and drying is the processing, and the clay toy is the output. Look at here in the figure 6.1. The input is clay toy. Okay, the input is clay. The process is molding and clay. Okay, molding the clay, and the output is toy made with clay. So dear students, a computer also works in the same manner. First, a computer accepts the data input by the user, then it processes the data and finally it gives you the output. A computer performs all these operations with the help of programs. A program is a step-by-step sequence of instructions that help the computer to perform the given tasks. There are many programming languages that you can use to write the programs. For example, Python, C, C++, Java, etc. So firstly we will learn about the features of Python language. Python is a general purpose high level programming language which is simple and interactive, platform independent, case sensitive, object oriented, interpreted language. Okay, and user variables without declaration. So all these features make Python a popular language. It was created by Guido van Rossum at CWI Centrum Visconde and Informatica. It can be used for designing console apps where text-based application is involved, like in C and C++ language, desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications, machine learning, robotics, and performing scientific computing. Some popular applications which are designed using Python are YouTube, Google, Dropbox, Instagram, Quora, okay, and BitTorrent. So these all applications are designed using Python. So installing Python on your computer. You can download various Python distributes from www.python.org/download. I am showing you here. We will click in the web browser. Here we will write www.python.org/download. Okay, and then we will press enter key. Now we will wait. We have got the latest version of this Python, and here we are having the different versions. Okay, now next the Python is the Python shell. Okay, it is looking like this. Okay, so working modes of Python. Python works in 2 different modes: interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode. In the interactive mode of Python, the interpreter executes the statements one by one. After the first statement is executed successfully, it moves to the next statement. It means that in the interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line, giving the output instantaneously. Okay, to work in the interactive mode, follow the process given below. So look at here. Firstly, we will click on the start button, all programs, Python 3.7, then idle Python 3.7. So click on the start button, all programs, Python 3.7, and we will click on idle Python 3.7. Okay, so we'll wait. We have got it. Okay, now it will open the Python shell window where you will see the Python prompt. Okay, we had seen here, this is the Python prompt. Now type the following commands in the interactive mode and see the output. So these commands we will write here. Okay, then we will write Python is a high level programming programming language language. So these so we have written this statement. Okay, now we will press enter key. So we have got this Python is a high level programming language. Next we will type 10, then press enter key. We have got 10. We will type 16.89. We will press enter key. We have got this output. Okay, now we will type this command. 19 is less than 78. We will type and it will tell us, this is our command. It will tell output is it true or false. Yes, 19 is smaller than 78. Okay, so it is showing true. Now 100 plus 200. Now we will press enter key. Now it has shown us 300. Okay, so it means we are giving the commands and it is giving the output. Now print function. Okay, in the interactive mode, whatever was written, the commands were written. I have shown you and I have shown you the outputs also. Now print function. The print function can be used in the interactive mode as well as in the script mode. It is used to display user defined messages on the screen. Using the print function, we can also show the result of an expression once it is processed. There are many parameters or arguments that can be passed in the print function. For example, look at here. This is written here. Okay, these arguments are written here. Look at this very carefully. I'll not show you the practical. It is very easy. Look at here. They have written firstly print, then in the bracket in the commas they have written in the this is an example of print function. Then the output was this is an example of print function. Then they have written the command print the sum of 10 and 20 is. Okay, then they have written 10 plus 20. So the answer they have written, the output they have got the sum of 10 and 20 is. Then this one calculation, this one command has been solved and they have got the answer 30. Okay, now next is using print function. We can use many separators with print function to format the display result. These includes comma. Comma means to print the next value after a space. Okay, /n, new line, to print the new value in the next line. Next is /t, means tab, to print the next value after a tab space. One tab equal 5 spaces, you know very well. For example, look at here. They have written the command print 10 comma 20. So they have got print 10 space 20. So they have got the output 10 space 20. Okay, comma means give space. Print 10. Okay, then they have written /t. Okay, then 20 they have written. It means after one tab means after 5 spaces they have to write 20. So they have got 10 and then after one tab means after 5 spaces they have got 20. Next print 10. Okay, then they have given /n. Okay, separator. Then they have written 20. So they have got in the new line in the variable 20 we have got 10. Then in the new line they have got the variable 20. Okay, so this was the way to using separators in the Python. Okay, so idle is an integrated development environment, okay, integrated development environment for editing and running Python commands. If we type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and displays the result. In this case, the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. Okay, so it executes instructions one line at a time. In this mode, if you are evaluating an expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. For example, look at here. What you have to do? You have to just write your command 11 plus 22. So it is working just like a calculator. You will get 33. You have written 22 minus 11. You have got 11. Okay. So it is just working like a calculator. It is taking the commands and giving the output. Okay. So it like this you can use idle. Now script mode. Okay. This is the second mode. In the interactive mode, Python displays the result of expressions. In the script mode, however, Python does not automatically display results. We use an interactive mode when we write small programs because the output in the interactive mode is compressed between the statements and is not suitable for writing lengthy programs. So, to write lengthy programs, we use the script mode in which we can create and edit the programs. The files created in the script mode can be saved for later use. Okay. Writing a program in script mode. To write a program in script mode, follow the given steps. Click on the File, New File option. We will click on File. Okay. Look at here. Wait. Okay. We will click on File. Then we will click on New File option. Okay. We have got New File. Okay. New file opens. Okay, write the program and save your file by selecting file slash in the file tab we will click on save option and we can save the file. The files in Python are saved by the extension .py. Okay, once your file is saved, you can open the same file by selecting the file open option and execute the file using F5 key or click on run module option. So firstly, I have opened the new file. Now I will write the program. Okay, so the program is here. Okay, the program I am writing here. Print. Okay, then we will write Python is a high level language. Python is a high level language. Okay, now we will press enter. Now we will write print, print. In the bracket we will write 10. Okay, then we will write print. Okay, bracket we will write the value 10. Then we will write plus. Okay, then 200. Now I have closed the bracket, then enter. Now I'll write here print bracket. I'll write here 89 is less than 56 and bracket closed. Now we will save it. We'll click, this is our script mode. Okay, we will click here on file tab, then we'll click on save. Okay, the extension is, I have told you extension, the extension is .py. Okay, so I am saving it, like I am saving it by the name my p file. Okay, now I have saved it. Okay, now we will go to the new page. Here they have shown us how to execute a file. So we will click on, look at here, we will click on the run tab, then we will click on run module, or we can click on F5 button also. Now I have clicked on run module. Now we will get the display output. Okay, so look at here, this is the display output. Python is a high level language, 10 210 false. Python is a high level language, 10 210 and false. Okay, so this is our display output. So it is Very simple. Now, variables. While creating programs in Python, you may require some storage location to hold the values to be used later. Whenever we need these values, we can draw these values from the storage and use them for processing. These locations that are used to store values in the memory are known as variables. A variable can store only one data value at a time. When a new value is stored in a variable, its previous value gets overwritten. Suppose that example is here, a is equal to 10. The value 10 is stored in variable a. B is equal to 20. The value 20 is stored in the variable b. C is equal to a multiplied by b. So the product of a and b, like 10 multiplied by 20, 200, is stored in the variable c. So in the above example, a, b and c are the variables that store the values 10, 20 and 200, okay, respectively. So look at here, the figure, in the figure a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, okay, in the program look at here, okay, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a multiplied by b. So print the product of 10 and 20 is c, means whatever command we have given, it is c. So it will show the output of c. So it will show 200 here. The product of 10 and 20 is 200. Okay, it is printing the values. So now rules to write the variable names. When you are specifying any variable name, you need to follow certain rules. A variable name must start with an alphabet, capital or small, or an underscore. A variable name can consist of alphabets, digits and underscore. No other character is allowed. A Python keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Okay, whichever keywords are by default of Python, you can't use them. Space is not allowed in a variable name. Okay, remember, a variable name can be of any length. Variable names are case sensitive. Example, roll/number, roll underscore number, okay, and roll underscore num are roll underscore num and roll underscore num. It is capital R, it is small r. Are the different variable names. Okay, so example of some valid variable names are staffed, okay, staff underscore address, min value, max underscore val, age 1980, A45R. Okay, these are the valid variable names. Okay, following are the examples of some invalid variable names. Just look at here. The reasons are also given. Book name, space is not allowed. 90, okay, pric, price. Variable name cannot start with a digit. It can be started by alphabet or underscore. Book dot price, dot is not allowed. Book @ author, special characters are also not allowed. Min is a keyword in Python, so it cannot be used as a variable name. Okay, so dear students, that's it for today. Now this is the end of the session number 1. Okay, so the homework is you have to complete the left work of the chapter number 5 within 7 days if you are having any left work. Okay, so dear students, I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.